Yep, just another day. More home, more problems. Just installing a tray. Another day installing a tray.
But we don't have the bolts.
We need the bolt.
Great.
The bolt. Installing these bolts. Fresh new bolts for the under tray. There it is, tight as a butt. 3 more, good to go. Already off to a good start, as you can see. There's a snapped off bolt in there. Now we're gonna try to get it out. First, I'm gonna hammer in the center. Then we're gonna try to drill it out, and then push it out. Maybe make a new thread. Fun times.
So far, so good.
Retreading. Fun times.
It's not working.
It's gonna work. We're gonna force it. Final result. Here's our finished product. Retapped the threads. It's all good. Plastic's on. It's all good. What a Saturday. Fun times. Always in the hole.
Now we just have to wash it and...
Yeah. Wash it, make more videos. Fun time. Let's get the hell out. Jesus. Jesus. Yet again, working on more shit. Trying to fit the airbox, everything's sketchy.
And we have no idea what
Bolts
this
are
is for.
snapped, like right there. This is like zip tied on, whatever. And then we have this box over here with missing clips, and we don't know how to put it together. And you know.
Magic.
Here we go, no filter. Damn intake noises! Airbox is back. We also did some weight reduction. There was this piece, so fuck it. Woo! Diesel! So yeah, testing. No more noises. Works good. It's all good. Woo-hoo-hoo! Damn road. So, replacing the radiator, huge pain in the ass, lots of coolant down there. New radiator, it's kinda hooked to whatever, fan. Lots of jerking around to get it in. Boom! Radiator replaced. Only took like 3 hours. And this thingamajiggy broke again, scrap. I have some leaks back there from a hose that goes to up here. But whatever. So here we are in the hoopty. It's working. So I'm trying to get the operating temperature so the thermostat goes off. But I think it's gonna be alright. Enough leaks for today, or for this entire year for that matter. So I just gotta add a bit of coolant from last time when we changed the radiator. Gotta top up a bit. That's good, got about half. Good for now. I'm pretty sure you can see down there I have a leak from a hose right down here. that goes from this tank to the engine, but I probably won't mess with that too much. I also fucked the bumper a bit yesterday. Got a little hit here. Whoops. But not that much big of a deal. Just gotta fix this. The bumper is not exactly holding on. Wasn't too good to begin with. Just gonna add an extra zip tie. It's gonna be good. So my car started doing this retarded noise. Just like squealing and stuff in there. It's pretty weird. What the hell is that? Come on!